Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix overheating issues of Samsung A35 or A35 5G. If you're using Samsung A35 and now you want to fix overheating issues of your phone, so let's see how can you fix it. You just have to open your phone settings and here just enable or disable some settings. So the first is that you just have to open accessibility. Here just open it. From here just select vision enhancement and then you will get the extra dim option. Just enable it, and after that just go back, and the second option you have to limit your background apps, but for this you just have to enable developer option in your phone. So you just have to open your about phone section. From here just select software information, and then here's the build number. You just have to tap on it of 7 times. So just tap on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. After that, your developer option will be enabled. You just have to enter your phone PIN or password which you have. Then select allow. And now you can see developer option has been enabled. Now you just have to go back. And here, just go for search and search for background limit. Or search for background, and you just have to scroll down, and here look for any developer settings. Here's that the developer option, and here the background process limit. Just select it and it will be opened, and here's the setting. You just have to tap on it, and here you have to select at most 2 processes. Just select this one. After selecting that, your almost 2 processes will be run in background. So after enabling that, just go back, and here you just have to close all recent apps if you have. So after doing that, just make a restart your phone. So just scroll down in control center and here the power option, just tap on it, select restart, and then select restart again to restart your phone. It will make a restart and your phone will refresh. But if you're still having the same issue, you just have to look for any software update. So open your phone settings, and here you have to look if your phone have any software update. So just search for it, and here's that. Just tap on it, and here just select download and install. And if you have any software update, it might be here. Here you can see my software is up to date, but if you have any update, you must have to download and install it. And after that, just make a restart and your phone will refresh, and your overheating issue will be fixed. So that's how you can easily fix overheating issue of Samsung A35 or A35 5G. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.